Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chayan from quickpreview.in and let me show you the app Webcam Advantage. This is one of those apps that I am amazed at. Okay, so in this app the course is given about proactive video creating. Okay, so how you can do your videos, how you can resource your videos with minimal stuffs that is given inside this course. This is the members area of this place, and from this exact page you can go through the sales page. This is the sales page you can see here. So this tool will cost you only $29, and let me show you what are the stuffs given inside $29. So after having this sales page, you can see here this is the streaming masterclass, this is a upsell, and this is another upsell, that is Video Pro masterclass, and the first one is the Webcam Advantage that you will be purchasing. Let me click on Webcam Advantage. So inside Webcam Advantage you can see here there are total 7 steps, and also the green screen method, the bonuses are given. So that will be instantly given you inside the $29 product, and if you click on any of them, there are subcategories or sub options or sub tutorials, whatever you want to say. You can say that video with webcams, video with mobile phone, video with stream deck, anything you want, like reverb, like equalizer, everything is given inside it. The distort feature, anything you want, the green screen, I think let me show you the inside the step 3, maybe there will be something more. I have not gone through all of the videos, and let me clear you also, and let me say the truth saying I want to say, let me tell you the truth, that I have not gone through all of them, but I have gone through some of them, and let me clear you while I am saying some of them, I have gone through 3 or 4 of the videos. There are so many videos inside the front end, and I think you have got already that how to position your camera. So that was a good thing. I think inside step 1, inside step 1, the webcam, the mobile phone, the stream deck, the microphones, the headphones, the second monitor, backdrops, green screen, and gel screens. So inside each of them there are some sub topics, not sub topics, but there is only one topic discussed. So let me show you the second module also. Let me show you all of the modules one by one. So why not green screen, the background, decluttering. So that is a good thing. I don't know what is decluttering. So inside step 3 you can see here the camera position. Inside camera position, how to position your camera, basic composition, use a separate tripod, setting the camera, and inside 4, the basic lighting, why lighting is important, lighting, what lights might you need, what is the 3-point lighting, how to start lighting your room, lighting the background, accent lights, and light yourself. So inside number 5 you can see here, let me click on go camera settings. Inside camera settings there is one video, but that is a lengthy video. You can see here very detailed video. I think I have not gone through it as I am repeatedly speaking. So getting better sound, enhancing your sound on computer, and inside the 7 the OBS studio setup. I think OBS studio setup is given. Why OBS? Setting up your camera, capturing your desktop, setting up your outro, intro, adding camera, desktop, recording, streaming, adding other people, remixing your files. And inside the last one, the green screen is given. So I think I have revealed so many of things given inside it. I should not do that, but I have already given the bonuses. I don't want to reveal them. So that is the thing you are getting inside $29. And if you want to do it with a pro method, if you want to use that, if you want to get many more views, you can use this, you can implement it, and you need to learn anything to implement stuffs. So that is why these kind of courses are really genuinely made and really works for anyone. So this tool will cost you $29. I have told you already, 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee available, and also these are the details about this tool, and $29 and bonuses. Let me show you. So these are the bonuses that will be given to you inside the front end product, inside the $29 products that will be given to you totally automatically. And with this tool you can do with these bonuses you can do all over stuffs, like every bonuses are chosen from each fields, and that will be given to you totally free. Like you can think of you are getting bonuses from each field or from every field. Okay, So there are some vendor bonuses also. I have showed you also vendor bonuses that comes by default with this product. To market this tool, I have written here, or I have placed here the vendor bonus individually, but there is no other purpose. And inside upsell bonus, you will be given the mega bonuses that comes with 400 plus stubs that will be given to you also from my side, from my website. And you can click on the video description, then you can click on any of the buttons to check out this sales page, and from this sales page get the tool. That's all I want to say about this tool. So if you are still hearing me, I want to thank you very much. You are giving your time, and that is a very big thing for me. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye. This is me, Chayan Sarkar, signing out.